Lucid links and how to use it. Hit capture. First you realize it's a little bit different than Windows. Applications is in one bar. You got your accessories, your games, graphics, internet, office, sound, video, Ubuntu Software Center, where you can click on this, and now you can go on the, without even going on the internet, search for some alternative software you can use. There's all kinds of things out there. It's set in different, if you're looking for photography, there's many different things you can install without going on the internet and paying money for. Okay, that's Ubuntu Software Center. Accessories, you got your calculator here. Comes in handy. Disk analyzer shows you how much room you got, how much space is left over after install. Internet, you got Infinity, just kind of like you can talk to different people in different chats, like Yahoo Messenger, stuff like that. Firefox web browser, which is really good. GWibber I don't really use, but you can connect all your friends on like Twitter and post things and see what they've posted. You got your terminal, you got transmission. It's kind of like uTorrent. It'll come up here. It's just a torrent. It says, okay, I've never tried this, so I better hit accept. It works really well. Let's see what else we have. Sound and video, you got Blastro, Disc Burner. It's good for burning your CDs and stuff. You create audio, data CDs, video, disc copy, burn image. It works pretty decent. You also have movie player, but there's a better alternative. You got PT video editor. I don't tend to like this thing because when you do your video clips, you don't have much choices. It really is just good for throwing clips together, not doing much more pizzazz to them. For graphics, you got F-Spot Photo Manager. Works. You can organize and tag your photos. I don't really use it very much. See, it's going to ask me how you import. You can pick folder, which I don't have anything on here. Then you'd hit import and import photos. Many different little features on this thing. Let's see what else we got here. Got open, it's like a drawing program. Open Office drawing. It's a nice little thing if you need to draw something up. Games, I don't really play these games any. They're just simple games, kind of like Minesweeper. Similar. They're pretty good. So I hit a mine. Yep, see, I hit a mine. Let's see what else. In the Office, you have your dictionary. You can look up words like goat, for example. Oh, is it gonna work? For some reason it ain't working, I don't know. But it usually works. See what else we got in here. Evolution, which is kind of like the alternative to the Outlook Express. Get presentation, which works with PowerPoints. See what else we got in here. Office. You have your spreadsheet, which is like Excel. Works quite nicely. I don't tend to use it very much though. Let's see what else. You got your word processor. This one's pretty similar to Word 2003. It's a little bit different than 07, but when you go to save as, I'll show you here. It'll ask you, when you ask file type, you can pick Word 2007, so it'll open other files if you happen to have to use the other open or the other Office, like 2007. Internet, I pretty much showed you guys all this, how this works. Places, home folders, like your folder where you store everything. You got your documents. Anytime you download something, you got your download file folder. You got your music folder where you import your music, your pictures, videos, examples. I have no idea what that is. It's just examples I've used. Let's see, what else? Places, you got your, in here you will show whenever you have, like, insert like a USB drive, flash drive, it'll show it, and you can click on it. Let's see what else we got here. We'll go in preference, system, preferences, appearance. This is where you can change, watch, I'll show you guys. You guys can change the theme, really simple. See, it just changed everything. You change it, oops. Especially if you don't like this one, because you can see that everything's on the left side, and if you're used to, if that bothers you, you can always change it. Usually go with New Wave. You can also install, go like GNOME.org or gnomelook.org. You go on there, you can download them. Just hit install and then look for where you downloaded the file, and that'll change it. There's also, you can go to customization and get really technical, change the controls and stuff. We also have backgrounds. You can change your backgrounds. See, we're running this one. You can check, if you look, to change my background. You can also right click and hit change background, to other easy way to getting into it. You can also change your font size, but I usually leave it with default since it's pretty easy on my eyes. And to enable the visual effects where you can get nicer looking effects, you'd have to go into administration, system administration. This is the first thing I usually do.